Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We've got another unboxing. Oh, I don't need to do much at all to get it open. Rightio. The skizzers. Bit of gaff tape. Makes me feel like it's a sound check. Okay, whoops. So in the end it's pretty safely wrapped. It's a tiger, a miniature tiger. How am I going to do this without cutting myself? Doing myself a mischief. Here we go. So this one's a bit different. So this is a Chinese razor. Flying Eagle. I've got a couple of these now. Just like the cases. Bit cheap, but still like it. So it's made in Shanghai. That symbol there is Shanghai. Represents Shanghai, that symbol. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, that just flicked open. Let's do that again. And we have a mirror. Looks like it's where you'd store your blades. And we have a mirror there. And the razor looks like it's aluminium. It is. Let's put that down. Whoops. And an aluminium base plate. Nothing inscribed on there, and that's, I don't know what it is. What sort of metal it would be. Anyway, let's put it together. So as you can imagine, it's a very light weight razor. Obviously completely copied from the Gillette Tech. Not too bad though. There it is. I'll just pop it back in its case. I actually like the case though. The mirror inside. That just drops down. Real classical Chinese design. And I really like how it just flings open. Okay, I hope you find that interesting. And ciao for now, or should I say, Sai Chiang, which I'm pretty sure is goodbye in Mandarin. Ciao.